Why do I have that on me? I did not want to do that. Alright. Come on, can we please hop up there? This is so weird, like the glitchiest things. Okay. So for some reason I cannot get this again. Alright. I'm gonna go and hop up here. Which I can't. Alright, sorry guys. So wait, what's X? Right now, this is odd. How did I get up there the first time? I got up here earlier. Oh, okay. I'm like, I got up here before. Alright, so now I'm able to, oops. How do I do this? Look at the owl. So see, it's green, blue, then red. So I'm very perplexed at how to do this. So then if we walk up to it, it does nothing for me. I bring this out, and see, it does nothing. They're both like that. I don't know why it's not indicating. There should be something here indicating, but I have to like restart the game or something, and I don't know what's going on here. But anywho, I'm gonna go back to Bomber. I'm sorry this is taking so long, guys, but I apologize about the wait. So I have to get that one later and show you guys. So now I'm gonna go to Bree here and get this one, or not the one here, but I'm gonna get some stuff for you, or for myself, and then after I do that, I can, after I get this stuff, I will be able to go ahead and go get the quote-unquote last schematic, because the one won't be nice to me and let me get it. Alright, come on, Bomber. Just gotta go and, okay, here we got one pile. First try, got 20 of those. Alright, so we need 20 red thing. We need 20 of these red things. We need 20 rubies, 20 sapphires and oh wait, we have 20 sapphires. Oh yeah, as we just got. We need 20 rubies, 20 sapphires, and 20 emeralds. So 7 more of those and 19 more of the rubies. So let us try and find some of those. So far, no such luck. This is not what we need. We need red things and green things. So we cannot find either of those. We can only find. I found a blue thing up there. That's right. I think that's a blue thing. That's a blue stud. Oh, that's not good. That's so not good. Hey, look, I found red over there. And I found a purple stud, but we don't need a purple stud. Alright, let's see. Let's see if I can find a green thing this way. What's that? There was some stuff up here I just saw. No, wait, are you telling me? Awesome. I'm so sorry about this, guys, but I really do need to find this in order to get the schematic, but it's just kind of annoying the fact that I can't do it. Now, wait a minute. I do want to go back and just see. Will this take me to it? It will. Wait, really? Okay. This is going to take me to this thing. Is it going to be right this time? Let's find out, guys. Hey, look. Isn't there like a green thing like right here? Those are blue. Wait, do we need blue things? Never mind. Oh, we don't need... Oh, those blue things. Okay. Gotcha. Why is the thing... Oh, okay. I cannot hop on there. That was weird. That was weird, guys. Did you see that? Okay. Sorry for the extra long wait, guys. But I do apologize even more. Hey, check it out, rubies. What do we got here? Alright, so the other one's gonna pay off. Let's do this. Oh god, did we do it? Nope. Alright, we did get some though. Alright, not a huge lot. So I guess that we will have to use that other one then. Alright, alright, that's for something else. But, the sad thing is though, that we cannot use this. Whoops. We still can't use this, which is kind of a bummer. But, the nice thing is though, I can go over here and get the next thing. I can mine actually some of these things. Let me mine up here. Oh yeah, the other red thing's across there, that's right. I totally forgot. But where is it then? That's right, it's over here, silly. Oh, it's green now. Cool, that even works. That works even better. So now what I can do... Looking for Dory. Alright, now I can go back to Legolas. Make a bridge. Or, I guess a makeshift bridge, whatever you want to call it. Whatever, I guess. Or some thingies. And, nice. Okay, so now I can go to Bomber, who's not here. And... do this. Oh my gosh, no way. That was an epic fail. By me. Oh, 50. We need 4 more of those, really? Why? What is wrong with you? Alright, like, where is the mining area? I'm just gonna do this, and then we'll be good to go. Just like fall. Won't even take that long. Alright, where are we going here? Alright, those are blue, so I don't want to do that. I do want to fall down again and just see if it changes. So yeah, let me fall down again here, and then if it's a different thing, wait, there's nothing over there. How rude. Now there's not even anything over there. Wow. I just have to say I love that there's nothing over there. I'm being sarcastic. Oops. Can I please find some more stuff today? Okay, let's go over here. And ride this little dude all the way over. Alright, so there's some red things right there, which is perfect. Yes, now it works. Yes, okay, now I can do it. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Alright, sorry. Like, I'm serious, like, actually, thank you, Jesus. Alright, so green needs to be in the middle, red needs to be that way, and blue needs to be... No! Oh, I messed that one up. Okay. Wait, what? What happened here? That was weird, but I did it. Alright, awesome. I didn't think I was going to be able to do that. Oh, look at that. There's green things in here. Alright, let's go back to Legolas because we got all those things. Because now... Actually, no, we won't need Bomber. My bad. We won't need Bomber. We have... Let's see, the loot. Yeah, there's 4 more, and there's red things outside. Alright, nice. Alright, so square. Oh, so close. Oh, nice. That was one. That one was a close one. All right. Oh, come on. One more? That is rude. At least we got that one, and we can get this right here. All right. Perfect. I was so close. Like, did you see that, guys? All right. How many do we need? Really? 5 more? All right. So we're gonna go over to. Let's just see. Let's go here. This will be perfect. We do need some more stuff. Oh wait, we can go to Airborne. Yeah, but that's alright. So we'll do that later. Let me just see if there's some stuff that pops up. Alright, that's epic that we got that. I'm sorry, I'm just so happy that we did that. Alright. Nice. Alright, there we go. What happened? 19, really? Really? This one needs to be blue, right? Oh, red, blue, green, green. Okay. My bad, I messed up. Whoops, that one was correct to begin with. Alright, we got that. What is it gonna be? Oh, nothing. Oh, they want to mess with me. Okay, brilliant. So, I'll just happen to go back to... No, you know what? I'm going to Airborne. I'm going right here. And going over there instead. And then getting those things. And going back to that place. And getting the last... whatever it's called, schematics. So, I did happen to get all of them for you today, guys. Yes, victory! Victory screech. Okay, so that's epic. I did get to get all of these collectibles for you, schematics, and then we will be able to go and get all other stuff later in free roam. All right, so now I can go back to Legolas because he's whatchamacallit, our character. Oh crud, no, I can't. All right, guys. So this is a loot dispenser. If you did not know, I believe Sauron can do this. Balin can do this, or Balin can do this. Nice. All right. Or Thrain can do this. All right, let's go and buddy up with our good old buddy, old pal. Teaming up. All right, there we go. So this is a loot dispenser. If you did not know, right here is like the entrance of Airborne, where the kingdom should be. And you can basically buy all this stuff. So I didn't make a video for this, but I thought I would do this showcase or show you guys in this video. So here we go. This is an awesome loot dispenser. So we need 15 of these. How many do we have? Oh, we have 20 of those. thought we had 20 of those. Okay, perfect. Now we have enough. Alright, nice. Now I can go to map and go to the last one. And go to the troll shaws. Wait a minute. Is this where we need to go? Whee! Bird times! Whee! Alright, look at our epic birdie. And we're gonna fly down. And okay. Now get the next thing, which we can use a little animal here. Go this way. And let's see, let's ride it all the way to the guy. Wait, it should be in here. I'm sorry, I didn't set my destination, so that's why it's telling me to go over to that place, yeah. Alright, now I can go over here. What do you know? There's stuff here. Really? That was not here before. Was it because it was nighttime? Oh, wow. I'm such a freaking nutball. No, 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 no. I'm just such a freaking nutball. So, guys, if it's daytime, so if it's nighttime, basically, he's going to be sleeping over here, and his business isn't going to be open. But you can mine that one and that one to get some stuff, and then he's going to be open and selling stuff now. So if you need stuff, yes, swapping. Okay, so you can trade things. So that's kind of cool. Why did I not hit that? Perfect. So now I have 20 of those. And all that's done. Alright, now let's see what actually happens here. Number 1. Number 2. And number 3. And we will be awarded with our third and very last schematic and a purple stud. Nice. Let us grab that. Blacksmith design or schematic unlocked. And that was the last, ladies and gents. And whoops, I'm falling in water. Check me out. Alright, so there we go. That is it for this video. Let me exit here and make a little outro, and then I should be good to go. So check this out. We got 17, well, technically now 17, because I got one in my first videos for re-recording these. For re-recording this video. So thanks for watching, guys. We did get all 16 schematics in the free roam world. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to leave a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Lego Space 2 Space 11, and if you have not already, and do not forget to be awesome. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hey, check it out, a rainbow. Let's end this video with a rainbow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, don't forget to be awesome. Bye, guys. Rainbow. Really? Really? There's the rainbow. Double rainbow. No way. Double rainbow.